At least this time it's not me messing up. At least it's not me this time. You could only see half of me. Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Encausic, South Yorkshire. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you for everyone's support so far, and if you haven't already, just click that subscribe button. It's totally free and it really helps us and helps YouTube to recognise that people want to watch the content. If you've spotted content on my channel that you like, and you'd like to see more of it in a similar way, just give me a shout, drop me a comment, and then I can have a look. Each of my episodes are numbered, so you can always just drop me a number, like I like number 47, or I like number 12, or number 6, or I like product reviews, or whatever you're liking, let me know. I'm just going to do an abstract pattern using the iron, encaustic blocks and encaustic painting card. Something really quick and simple that a beginner could do, and around the time of year again that people have received kits and different bits and pieces. I know that might date my videos a little bit, but so be it. Alright, so we've got painting card, and I'm just going to load my iron in a slightly different way to what I normally would. I'm just going to load it in a splish splash manner. So green, red, violet, and as long as I end up with an iron full, I'm not worried. This purple colour is always quite nice. It's like purpley blue, and some orange, and then let's get it on the paper and see what we've got, and then I'll see what we can do with it. So I'm just going to run it through the paper and see what we end up with. Yep, that'll do what we want to do. Right, the wax, as you can see, is on quite thick. I'm going to turn the iron round in my hand, so I'm going to throw the cable over my arm. I've got the iron backwards way in, squares, and I'm just going to do lifting up and down randomly around, overlapping a little bit, and maybe even just doing them where they overlap a lot. I'll do another one of them in this corner. So literally up and down and up and down. And a bit of one here. In between. We've got lots and lots of squarish shapings now on there. Right. Then I'm going to do something else with it. Turn my iron back the normal way, using the non-wired side of the iron, so that long side without any wire coming out of it. I'm just going to have my painting at a slight angle. I'm going to just cut lines. I'm going to let the saw across it. Go back in, out, in, out, in, out. We're not going to think about it really, where we're going in and out of it. Thread across it. People really like these abstracts, and there's something that anyone can do regardless of ability with encaustic art, because literally it's just tilt the iron on its side and away you go. Painting, lines across, and all we're doing really is cutting into the wax. We're sort of using the iron like an ice skate or a saw, but we're not applying lots and lots of pressure. And the idea is that you'll not be able to see from which was the first line or which was the last when we've finished. And by angling the iron at different radiuses, you'll get different thicknesses of line. Quite happy with that as my abstract pattern. I might cut a path in there. Let me just have a look. I think on this occasion we're going to call that a day, because I quite like it. Hope you've enjoyed that. Like I say, it's something that many of you can achieve, and it just looks like undergrowth really. Hope you've enjoyed it, and feel free to comment, like, subscribe, all the rest of it. Thank you for supporting the channel. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video.